Hello guys, we meet again in Yuri Ade's channel. This time I want to share about destination tourism. This place is Posong. Have you ever heard about Posong? Before I talk about Posong, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like by clicking the bell. Thank you. Posong Nature Tourism is located on the slopes of Mount Sindoro and is included in the Temanggung Regency Administration Zone. Just by paying a ticket of 12,000 rupiahs by motorbikes and 15,000 rupiahs by cars. The tickets include parking. The store operating hour also unique, open from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. It aims to provide the opportunities for tourists who want to feel the sensation of the sunrise and the sun falling from the valley Mount Sindoro. In the Posong tour, there are also various tourist points and photo points that attract the tourists to enjoying the sensation of the beauty of the sunrise and the sun falling. First, the photo point with the background of the words Posong and Mount Sindoro. My advice is to take pictures here in the morning and evening to avoid the heat of the sun which can damage your photos. Second, the photo point of the butterfly wing. This photo point is really suitable for children. Adults can also. And the third, the point of view of the Posong Natural Tourism Park viewpoint. This point is also one of my best photo in this tour. The facilities are available at the Posong Natural Tourism Park. Spacious parking space, mosque, bathroom, food stalls, gazebo, and motorcycle taxi driver. Some suggestions and tips when visiting Posong Natural Tourism. Make sure the vehicle is in top shape. Carrying a coat. Bring supplies if necessary. Bring a camera or handphone for those who like to take pictures. If you want to spend the night in a camping way, please bring equipment by yourself. How interesting is this place? It is also the tourist spot. Do not forget to stop by also to Nature Tourism Embung Kledung, which is not far from this tour. Thus, the reference to the nature tourism of Posong Temanggung this time, to meet on other occasions with different destinations. Thank you for watching. Bye.